In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the quest Toward the Nest in Crimson Desert and to activate the Crescent SkyBridge. So first, when you appear in the Abyss Nexus, you're going to see these multiple orbs. There's going to be 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom. You're going to want to make sure they're aligned and pointing to the right direction. The one on the bottom is fixed, but in the top 3, you're going to use your axiom force using L3, which will give you power over this orb, and use the directional pads to point the laser to these specific orbs, and it'll activate that portion of the sky bridge. So do that across the 3 orbs on the top level. And then next, you're going to want to use your blinding flash ability and look at these cables to see which ones have power coming through them. The ones that don't, you're going to want to follow them back to where you see they are disconnected. And then connect those cables. So we have one on the right side of the bridge, and then there is one on the left side of the bridge that if you follow back, you'll be able to find where it's disconnected. And once you have that connected, it will activate this dial, which is your last step to the puzzle. So come over to this dial, climb on it, and use your Force Palm ability to activate it. And then as a reward, you'll get this Abyss artifact, and that is how you activate the Crescent SkyBridge in the Toward the Nest mission in Crimson Desert.